Hi, I'm Scott, your Get Setup Guide. It's natural to feel overwhelmed when you try to manage the massive amounts of photos you've taken with your digital camera or your smartphone. How do you keep track of all those pictures? Where can you store them? And how can you quickly locate and retrieve a specific photo, even one that you took years ago? And how can you safely back up a photo so you won't lose it? Well, you may not know that Amazon has a Photos app that will do the work for you, thanks to the magic of technology. In this class, I'll show you how Amazon Photos automatically tags and categorizes your photos for you so you can search for and find them just by typing a keyword or two. You'll see how you can set up customized photo albums, and I'll even show you how to use facial recognition technology in Amazon Photos to quickly find pictures of loved ones. One of our learners described this class as, quote, another really practical and enjoyable discovery. Watching the face recognition in action is amazing, end quote. So if you need a time-saving way to store and organize your photos, you won't want to miss this class. Connect with others and learn how to take control of your digital photos.